Here we go. We're gonna be a little weird here, I'll say, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Would you rather eat raw kale every meal for a week, or raw garlic every meal for a week?
I think rather eat raw kale.
Kale.
Yeah.
Would you rather eat pineapples on everything or avocado on everything?
Oh, that's a hard one. Um. Hmm. Oh, that's a hard one.
First thing to your head.
Avocado.
Avocado. I think Alexia, our youngest daughter, would agree with that. That girl's an avocado
Pineapples are
head.
so good for you, but go ahead.
Pineapple's good.
Yeah,
Kills parasites. So.
it does, and it's also the digestive enzymes,
Yeah.
which is more important. But anyway, go ahead.
Okay. Would you rather dip every food in guacamole or hummus for life?
Oh, they're both so
Oh
good. Oh my gosh.
my God.
I guess hummus.
Wow. Hummus, yeah.
Protein.
Wow. I'm resisting the urge telling you what I would do because that's, man, okay. Would you rather eat foods that are red or only eat foods that are green?
You need both.
What rather? The game's would you rather?
I'm guessing green.
You're going green.
Yes.
Oh man, okay. All right, would you rather live without salt forever or live without sweetness forever?
I could do without salt.
You do salt? Really? So you tell me you're gonna have your everyday kale and you can't put any kind of salt in
I'm
there.
fine with that. For breakfast, I've
Wow.
had a little bit of oatmeal, and on the side, and my kids laugh at me, some steamed broccoli or steamed kale,
Man.
and nothing on it, just steamed. And
So-
I eat it up.
so
Or
my
steamed
question-
cabbage, no salt.
Wow. Man. All right.
Sweetness, I love dates. I like to put dates in everything.
Oh, I see you trying to get okay.